data sources or database in Jakarta server pages. Now we are focusing on data sources, database. SQL actions operate on a data source as defined by the Java class javax.sql.dataSource. A data source object provides connection to the physical data source it represents. Within the context of a connection retrieved from the data source, SQL statements are executed and results are returned. Database, also called electronic database, any collection of data or information that is specially organized for a rapid search and retrieval by a computer. Databases are structured to facilitate the storage, retrieval, modification and deletion of data in conjunction with various data processing operations. A database management system, DBMS, extracts information from the database in response to queries. As an example, we can consider this code segment. In this example, we are going to learn about this select operation of fetching records from Guru test Guru underscore test table, which was created in above section here. Here the SQL colon data set data source exports a data source either as a scoped variable or as the data source configuration variable jakarta.server.jsp.jstl.sql.data source. Here here we are connecting data source and here naming variables, and the driver has JDBC driver here. Also adding username and password with Guru root and Guru. Here we are using SQL query of this SQL query of the select query. Here we are printing the output for employee ID and EMP name, which are fetched from the results of the query. And using for each loop, we print the output. With two records, for example, when you execute this code, we will with additional code required, we will get the output like this here. Here the two records will be fetched from the database here. here table headings are excluded in the output display here. As an example, we can consider, as example 2, we can consider this code segment. Here we can see interface connection, a connection session with a specific database. SQL statements are executed. SQL statements are executed, and results are returned within the context of a connection. Connection interface connection is in module java.sql package and in the package java.sql. Here you can see the usage within a JSP page. This is the employee DAO class. Here you can see a create statement using connection object. And execute the query or update query. And process SQL exception.